Hello dear viewers and welcome to Hairstyle Times. The summer of 2025 makes it clear that the climate crisis is no longer a future threat but an urgent reality of today. Across the globe, extreme weather events are no longer rare anomalies. They have become regular disasters that push the limits of man-made infrastructure, governance systems, and societal resilience. In this video, we will examine these disasters this summer, from deadly floods in China to stifling heat in the United States. For decades, scientists have warned that rising global temperatures and greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane would disrupt the world's fragile climate systems. This year, these warnings have compounded by a strong El Nino, a natural climate event that warmed the central and eastern regions of the Pacific Ocean, while disrupting weather systems around the world. This has exacerbated storms, droughts, and extreme heat. Because warmer air can carry more moisture, rainfall is intensified or droughts deepened, depending on geography. On the other hand, anthropogenic factors such as urbanization, deforestation, and soil degradation leave many regions more vulnerable. Heavy rains in northwest China have resulted in landslides and flash flood, leaving at least 6 people dead and tens of thousands excavated. In Gusi province alone, 1 week's rainfall was double that of a normal month. In northern cities such as Shanghai and Hangzhou, early season heat waves soared above 40 Celsius degrees, straining power grids and setting new usage records. Thousands of rescue workers were mobilized in many regions and a red weather alert was issued. In India, the monsoon rains came 9 days early with unexpected intensity. Flash floods and landslides inundated many homes. In cities like Mumbai and Dehradun, daily life came to a standstill. In North America, a giant heat dome was gripped the central and southern states. Around 130 million people were under heat warnings at the end of June. Temperatures exceeded 46 Celsius degrees in Texas, Arizona, and California. Cases of heat stroke have increased in hospitals, while fire brigades are searching for a growing number of wildfires. Mexico had its wettest June in decades, with dams filling up in some areas, but nearly half of the dams are still below 50% capacity, and many residential areas are in need of emergency water supplies. Even countries less involved in the global climate debate are being affected. In southeastern Turkey, temperatures have exceeded 45 Celsius degrees, agriculture has suffered and water supplies have been limited. Farmers report damaged crops, smaller harvests, and an increased risk of forest fires. These events are not independent of each other, but parts of a human-shaped global system. Investing in early warning systems, building resilient infrastructure, and protecting employment are also an important part of adaptation models. Without swift and global action, the performance and resilience of such extreme weather events will continue to increase. The summer of 2025 can be remembered as a critical turning point when we face the reality of climate change, not just the devastating impacts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing. And as always, it was Hairstyle Times.